guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I have a beautiful one-bedroom condo for you for sale. Come and have a look. Did you see this one? This condo is within walking distance from the town of Sosua, the supermarket and all its beaches. It's a ready-to-go unit and it has 2 beautiful pools on site. You know what to do. Give us a like, subscribe, click on the link here below for more information, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye!